ano enso esre because sika bo mo botom an sa be pinicity latest ni na no fancy beba no no enso atimi e de ato na me de ya fisem ne ba no eno ada and a fancy di Maria yes story bia na say Naki Williams enso ni nua no enso appear on a TV show bia e koso enso e wo Spain na TV show no mo course no na say won say we Ghana ni na kopie show bia sese ni de say we Ghana sem enso etimo ho no ko no we presentation the Blaster Jay-Z enso etimi e dem a host of the show na odi Jay-Z ni ma host ni wi na say akwakoduru say Naki enso etimi kiretwi kakra enso e wo Spain yanko na yente Naki Williams what Spain for no chi enso e wo Spain mamu.
Me gustan a mí los idiomas, que dime algo así a ver cómo suena el chi.
Yo qué sé, dame Etisen, es como ¿qué tal estás?
Etisen.
Etisen.
Y contestar, decir de puta madre.
Boco.
Boco.
Sí.
A ver, dímelo.
Etisen.
Boco. Más o menos, ¿no?
As and this out Naki Williams or known as a watch tree or no crack you not in the sign. No, and 20 at the same a year boko as a or new host no country was and you know or more people show no so as I say Naki and so it meets the chica crow and no any said no mano and so si koya the honsam no at the 20 way update on a dear fancy buy out the mine have a tree and so yet to me at the atu and yet was so now if you didn't come and so blasters and sends them the another and I'm a tell who the mouse say 12 p.m. no or 12 beba now if you order and call up and then switch up bontin and or no enso etimi ba at the squad no e ba beto abontin ma bibia no enso etimi ko yi na players ni ho a ye ntimi an from yanko nyentie otuwado on injury players no said osifa e kom ho asem.
Still up to Summit Salis is injured. We have long-term injuries like Kofi Cherry. Majid Ashimoro is also injured. Got injured last game. And then Ibrahim Sadiq is also injured. Surely there are also some other injuries, long-term injuries, which I don't like to mention, which we could have considered. But this is just for you to give you an update before questions in this direction comes. Would like to again, please still up to Summit Silent.
And the anone injury update refen Otuado. And so any two Jaffa players are and so injured when Timmy am from na obo dino yantisobo Thomas Tepate Thomas Tepate so en squad no no and yebuso Otuado say e denti na Thomas Tepate and so any part of yentim no say and Otuado kan.
Not my fault. Maybe you have to ask. Topic is going to talk to this is not my fault. Maybe you have to ask Thomas then, you know, because I'm not talking about a player.
Ntiano ne nsam opani no enso ede tu dwa se esi etim hwe na yebusa Thomas Tepate ntu ono ne nsam ono enso ede tu dwa ede ho nsam ede ma ya hwefo ne atiefo ne enim se na nsem no yen strikers ne ba o ntimi nhye ye be bo Sudan home na we yanya go na mranche ne koya na semenyo hye Manchester City na abrante a ye fe no Jordan Ayew enso to tontena ede ma Leicester against Ipswich na ye hu za branch fe ne Naki Williams enso boatena ede ma Let's Go Bilbao na strikers ne baga no muntimi nhego Otuwado eden tina ye strikers ne baga no muntimi nhego no mo ko mo clubs dia o muntimi nhego.
Once we once we make them feel like when they come home they're at home, they will give their best and it will come. But if they come home and it's like a toxic environment, it's always difficult for them. It's not easy. They're just human beings. And what we all can do is
Intinas and a say or respective clubs anymore. They feel at home. Number had the as almost a toxic environment and bois Emmanuel enso entimin koye emfamo muntiano enso a part of the reasons why yen strikers never ha omuntimi nhye goals na mo kom respective clubs omo bon tenane sa enso de mo clubs na nsemo a Otuwado enso ede tu dwana yetete sa branch fe ne Jordan Ayew yen 2 games aka no or na air captain yen Otuwado ejebre echechim dienti a oye Jordan Ayew ne captain.
The initiative was to make Thomas the captain of the team and for him to guide the team and to lead the team. So once he's not there now, surely after I talked to Thomas, first of all I had to talk to Kudus. For him, I made the decision to make Kudus the captain that time because Thomas was not there. And now, as we know, Thomas is not there for the next 2 games. We made the decision at the end, I decided to take a new captain for the team, which will be Jordan. So I talked to Kudus for him to understand that for me, he still needs to learn and grow into that role. And I want him to be second captain alongside Jiku. But Jordan will take over from now, and he will lead and guide the team.
And no ne samo otuado di tu jana manfo support wado papa omjidi eze first one no the captain man no ball Kudus no nim say ontimi nya that sa leadership mentality ni ande no de ade no command no kofa pressure kwa e de ma brand ma ono enso antimi handle ni ye okodi red card na manfo asopa no ye tena full time so a ye betire ma bibia no enso atimi akoye ntia fi ho na afie ndi nkomo Ghana Premier League ni di nkomo e Ghana Premier League nim dia ene and a match with 10 and so start here 7 p.m. sharp. Yeah, the live commentary beba ewo Sompa 93.1 FM. Na and a game my bass no Accra House of Folk and so any vision ebo a game back wa amount for GD say emu and so betimi ay de ye pa artwork na na say Accra House of Folk and vision FC and so na ebo University of Ghana Stadium 7 p.m. and a game no and so a team eba so a Friday night football bibia and so na Michael Lewa a player at the team of Accra House of Folk ahead of this game or say or ma prepare here or me ko akushia Vision FC.
Actually, I prepare very well. Don't say team be share Accra House of Folk. Prepare very well. Team pass under team dia provisional Premier Club. And team be share yes we prepare very well at the day in the face.
Entiana Samoa Michael Awua Ere2 just so ma prepare ye at the Kwakoshia Timwa Jeffrey Vision FC or then 7 and so at the Tujana ahead of this game and a coach Jeffrey Abubakar Watara head coach at the Matima Accra House of Folk and so Edin Kuman Komodieno or Chechemu Dientia or Mutimian Kunimdi editia Timwa Jeffrey Media Mana Airbo na the games at Twasno or mo and so Etimi Edin Kunim.
Discipline. If you are disciplined in and out of the training pitch, everything can count. And the hard work we are doing every day is the key. We don't have the key apart from discipline, the hard work, and support from the fans who are the stadium are pushing the boys, are giving the energy, supplement energy is the only key.
And no, and someone coach Abubakar Watara Ere2 Janioma Boa Emo enso etimi din kunimediti amediama and all church mu na de esese omo ye no omo toaso enso ma Accra Folk team ne krabe he no unyanto wase church no say eso omo keep consistency no winning games more na no matimi ko ye di mo.
It's the game, it's just one game. We need to be regular, to be consistent. My happiness in the game is the discipline. The way we follow the discipline, all the discipline aspects. I think it's not perfect, but it's not.
Abubakar Watara nsem wono enso Ere2 dwaide ho nsem ede air2 anim no enso no yefiri ho yemfia ne nkyirimo Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach Prospernet Woguma ono ne di emrante anim na ahead of this game wodi nkomo na ne nkomodie no enso on the last 3 matches Kumasi Asante Kotoko about result anko said the next.
Absolutely very worried, very concerned about it. The whole technical team, the playing body, everybody's worried, everybody's not happy about it because how we started the league, did we expect that we could go into such a situation because the players were gradually peaking and they were doing well, they had their confidence, everything was fine, they were playing well, but then that's the nature of the game. Sometimes you don't get what you want. So we all feel, especially me, understand the pain, the emotions of the supporters because they expected so much from us, and we were giving it to them, and then all of a sudden we went on that.
Your coach Prosper Network no church the last 3 games are Kumasi as I no got a bar result and costed no musipe. Ni say games ni muno as errors be and so much goals as I no got to air consider on errors as I no got to play say no more consider say no di hunkomo.
I think we've met the whole team and we've met the players involved. We've shown them the videos and then we've made them aware of what they should have done. I think if you look at the defensive line, as you have said, it's a very strong defensive line. So we've engaged all of them, and the few errors that occurred in those games, we've been able to point them out to them.
The coach Prosper Network so them rant na chia kire mo nyo mo ye ya amanyoma ankoye amfa mo no that thing amafo di hu komo ye pa ye say obo players out of position and also ojebre edi hu komo.
Whatever happens to me, I don't think at the moment the technical team led by me is playing anybody out of position, and I don't want to go into the fine details of our tactics. It means I'm exposing the team to our opponents. But then what I would say is that I'm not sure anybody's being played out of position. If
you be anywhere you're born out of position, you're bar full time at the more and so bet me at us. Now play about common for Busa and her about a branch of friend Albert Amwan injury update in the way no matter kono coach Ogum HHM.
I mean the responsibilities, it depends on the role orientations, the job description. I think we had the side of the knee swelling, so we did a lot of ice therapy. We gave him some pain medication to bring the pain down, and as at now that I was coming for this presser, he was okay. He works very well, and he tells me that
Teenagers say nyoma ekoyi abranche no ni pains na ba form ne hono na ho na ba form wonante bibi ekoyi enso edema na enchi bia no emra abranche ba beti akan adama Kumasi asa ne kotoko Emmanuel Antwenya call up to the Blasters yenko ne ntie die wo se Kumasi asa ne kotoko e de aye ama ne football career.
Waiting for this opportunity for a very long time, and it's a dream come true. And it shows I made the right decision by joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and I think I'm doing something right that has, taken me to this level. I think I've been waiting for this opportunity for a very long time.
Some branch no ere tuja yenso ye bobi amawaso enso atimi ate. Emre na du se fancy ba na afi obabekom de awono nsem latest ni na no enso etimi ne bra energy no wosoro because we say 8 energy no wosoro da bia but na energy no wosoro pa because 8 dia wo sha is otimi 8 yes as na vonyina ye obani we have a there.
Well, some catch you say mini precis.
Yeah,
only Noah for Bobo, Noah that can say. Some that can or cast a moment, some not more Mantino. And then so yet, in Sunni, will be an amosa. Oh, I'm in here for Timby Cran, you want attention after they give my sketch to the one. Oh, there are not supporters, not so more 10, but we say, but what me and your mom say, just for no mood to me and your ma because she says it's your moon about Bogo's power. European competition more. Oh, I'm say 8 mini preseason. Yeah, I'm fun to say a ball competition be out. Yeah, preseason. Oh, there be with them. Okay. In your crab man, Quadana crab. And they say, Omo motor bench or mountain Premier League in the money and your meboa. Moanebo. A penny young quiet. We can be any Arsenal. Only Arsenal nebo. Pa. Match nehu. Okay. Okay. Obi biana. Oh, Ras,
me da say yes enti enwa matches awdo eba so na mama fan to anim say enwa ye benya dwumadi e fa say Europa and afi wo mo Conference League matches awdo pina no ensom aba so na me tutum awa branches enwa bobo kwa fa say Ludo Grass Rasgard omo ofie wo mo som nzu 2-0 ema side ye fa say be bawo eno ye matches enwa no eno som aba so eno wachi bobo kuwa ye fa say ya so omo shama kuma ku enum wo mo som na Maccabi Tel Aviv enso ana boy na sa game boss eno wa bra akoba sa Maccabi Tel Aviv omuluzu sa game no wonum so run for San Francesco aye Farioli ono na cheso no enso na ye coach ama yes after say akoba sa Samuel last season na yo man sheda nkoye enso am from yes our bro mbekinia ye for some managerial changes ama manager enso na ba na jumari ya wodini nyina no enso na wasoro eno squad wo mo starting game ama yes wo team no na chese ni nyina twa mo shama akomako aye 5 na chese team no matompa no enso awosoro enwa wonum say politically newma eno som naguso across man supporters na enwa na chese mo so for Israel enso na ba so mo ba support yo bobokua ye for say Maccabi Tel Aviv na enwa no wo mo som any police no konya aye ne ye kan center kwa ebiniye awa bra say shakari video na amawa wo mo say no police won nyina no enso na America across sansa the moment Israel from Batal na just almost more campaign and some nadia tia Israel may know I was almost some natural mutinta anwa woman some more campaign the man maybe and some other some Palestine and what Serbia Gaza American Marina no woman some naya so much demo abako a stadium and the police also say yen came mama fantamo and some cross stadium and what Dominion say woman back campaign sir Israel and a Palestine may know woman some chini panimi no ama chese nyoma cross ni nyina na bi ensom na wo hwa update na dia kan nyina no ensom na besa ba fei ma me fan to anim sen yebenya saida ye for say Galatasaray enwa wamusom na yadwuma kama ansana maba Galatasaray boboko bakoa wamusom na form aye kama ye pano ensom aye Lazio team no enwa Lazio omusha FC Porto academy no ensom na wa Porto team no wamusom na chekeru bako enwa aye Alessio Romagnoli aye former player ensom na ma AC Milan ono ensom na ba first goal ama chese Pedro ensom na winning goal enwa match no kwana so mo power sa aye 90+2 and I will kai Pedro and no be a term now a bomb na so ma bounce ebesi na kan and some other Chelsea so when you 37 years age 37 Pedro the last aye 5 matches our ball and some other Lazio no one ashe 4 goals and some team no and Lazio so form no na me fa to so far we mo some matches some ball jumadia we mo some na dini nyina no and some na kama edema team no we mo last 10 matches omawini mako na Lazio su coach no and some other so aye jumadana wa brano pe no we mo some na bo coach na ye fa so Marco Baroni and some other so afema enwa we mo some na we game our stadium wa Chesakwia we mo fa some animal supporters no and some na jubilate wa ba Chesanwa last minute munya winning goal no yenko na ye hebi na fe yentie said the Lazio and some animal supporters enwa and some ajo omani our the Sun Stadium and a Europa game enwa and some abaso yes and no I said and no na just an City and some our stadium our Braweno and so I Lazio almost supporters and out there ya de exams and the carrying na dem afei ya ko Alisem yes Paul aye Kompleski and abobo kwafan side Galatasaray we mo some na bomb enwa our Rams Park omo jumani abaso no Dominion so mo shame yes am Tottenham and some matia kanemu me no and wa kwatana fan say aye William Lancashire ono so kwadi second yellow ama Chesakwia red card on my side ya fan Tottenham sometime nyina no na Chesa Galatasaray we mo di cash 3-1 and some our first half adada our Bratana against 11 nyina no Dominic Solanke abete second goal and some ama Tottenham sometime na Chesa late and what game no aye Jonas Abgon one and some about first goal ama Victor Osimhen enwa one about second and third goal and some ama Galatasaray team no and the Essex TV and a Shaka Demawa, Sompa TV and a Fay. I am live on Facebook and also was some Monabi Amarita and Rama fan to him, sir. When we are selling euphoria and some message our techie on him data. When we book game on night like this, and your man some I simple and your man and some I afraid at the Matimino and what Galatasaray Kotana, your father's Victor Simen, Yamso Dasu Bolon or say, one on your Sabia January or Kobabia, Nani in Anabayan Commoner, Bobo Quafanas and Napoli and Galatasaray, and some Abedi, as to say about Trosso and us on Trossinino, Wababo says no ansana, one of some never taken a decision, one of some attacking them, Mamin Phantoms and Nima across our Galatasaray, and some Natras Polia, your father's or Simen, or Lave a life, and some other Tessa Turkey, I'll be beyond so much me as Emra after I come out of 2 hours, and Yaya Passamaro Ikati Emra, and some Nokopana from Motumpa, one some Nabana Emra after the game, and some Nigerian Yakotana, your father's Victor or Simen, Yentino.
It was a difficult one. We are aware of the kind of opponent we are going to face. In their final third, they are really good and they kept the ball impressively. So I will give this to them. And of course, we deserve the win because also we played good. And our final third, we were really decisive, so it helped us a lot. And then I think for me, to be able to contribute with 2 goals is something really important for me. And also my thought with Mauro, I hope the injury is not so much. Overall, we had a good game. It's a very beautiful match, a tough one. So I think now we'll go back, recover, and prepare for the next game.
And no, I am some branch of fans, Victor Simen out as Yadene except Emma and Manchester for game Aquatana. Your fans are mad, Diala, Fadium Sarah now because okay, the last time a Manchester winning game and some no sure Panaches a come. I have free and Sunienti Emra. My main fan to him, some money over since October 2023. Woman some winning game, not just a 1 year come. I just a so far no more. I get 21st, and I was sure. Table so and win at the Manchester free. I year 21st, I year 15th, and some no shoot up. One table also and after the game coach now. Your fans are real financial. No, I caretaker coach. Emma Bobo fans are Mayu and after the game no was what did you pass and one Ukrainian first half Nanya Namum second half na better. Our fools are Madama boys no born and one no one on Bonkodano and Abasu coach. Your fan root financial.
Yeah, it's a good win. It's a good win. Happy with the win after 3 draws in the Europa League, and the home game was. We felt we needed to win, and in the end we did. Good performance by Amad Diallo. He was excellent today, and he made two excellent goals. So very very pleased for him and how he could help the team also. Important also.
Yes, and I can't take out coach or red fans Van Nistelrooy out there saying except in no Wunya and what Chelsea for Sutumre our prejudice and what team B a boy Nemo and what MC no and not just a man for say you didn't know I can say no attack and the boy and what was Sunny Omana Malcolm what you drew baby not just a match and across our face and what Chelsea so protest what we say we won 10 not just 8 what family and also do not just what dear no for some Jimmy from Kofia and also I just a mania and bottom and what some not to know come up coach was say you want to get all your post match will be and Kobas and what Chelsea manager why you serious so penny where you have some Momo Tomo Fanela coach and Casami was say wait and some not just only serious and what Chelsea game be and what is because what we should be piano women's and almost started game within 2 minutes I didn't know if when a chance be woman say and can be bet me as a chance say what come out to my info and your opponent I want to crack a bono I was also me on your member someone which has some of your professional and the boys in the professionalism at daddy woman chance some you serious and watch it and you are so bad direct opponent to be 88 way Enzo Maresca.
It's always a bit, as we said before the game, tricky game because everyone expected that we win the game, but at the end it's football, you have to play, you have to be serious, professional, and the most important thing is that once again the player they show how serious and how professional they are. I'm very impressed, especially because since we start we are trying to change player every game. it works quite well, and the reason why I said many times is because we have good players, and all of them they deserve to get minutes. Some of them now.
Yes, and I can't free or my sweat paper. I will bring on Peno, and I update about Liverpool team. The American can South Cadana. Your family Luis Diaz, the last time about two just many channel. I come in now. Cadana uncles say, Jamina and some Motumba Diaz, but almost say, woman never support the extended contract. Tamatino, medically about the report. I mean, some Komono. Yes, Liverpool for a Shaman can I say, Luis Diaz and some never to me extended, and so I team na eno ay update eno som na from aswade ba Manchester Boboko no we ye Man City asam ana America onim sa wo mo giri e Barca boys le yesi omo ba training na chaso boys na some more en som awo from ni nyina sa e modombo against Southampton wo mo titum sa na enhira anya papa bia eno wo chomo modombo against aye Fulham ana for Wolves Boboko no games wo mo ball nyina no wo mo so mo win bi dia but wo mo nhira anya convincing eno aye chesa monoma amasa boys ni no and Camilla Sam and Yama Kofom and some Man City among Kotana. Yes, I am concerned Cassiopene and some by your chances paid. Woman coach Luis de la Fuente and some other name squad and Barca Kodana Fansa Gavi Metesa Bino were better me I'm a kidney come back a room and some other Spain national team. Woman some squad in Ebium and some Kodana. Your fan say Nico Martinez and also you'll be a Jaminiano and some other suspense squad. Many Jana Ebenemin and Omunino and some other Pam and some update about Remari Bobokuno. When I'm saying I'm a catcher, so I'm say, one documentary, I promote a Champions League, Gomo Bayer, now make a choice of a feature, and you Ronaldo, Manchester Ramos, and you be a Bam. Now I'm the Minion, so almost said yes, schedule, as it's getting to know, and you Di Maria, on to me, mum, what kind of Fabio Contrao, oh no, and maybe a chum on a left back, I'm a Bobokua, your father some Manchetono, and then Marcelo, and a nature from Chabo, yes, Fabio Control, and some to me run here, your father La Decima, one documentary, and Yamiarma next month, you know, and some game against Ayo Sasuna, almost quarter, and some other statistician, I know, and some other Sasanamon, Dominion saying, likely South Cadena, your father saw Rodrigo, Ababam, and your line up and Sena, one more Banyabia, some Anyabia, no one Diabanisa, one shall add that goulash, Ayobiano, against Osasuna, many channel, and some other to me, and some update about Mbappe. When you come and I tell you, also. But I know you now, you may cost you a France and a bra, young comrade.
The ones that now from toothbrush, no, right?
Bronya drew obiemu e ban say enyanka na erusi na ya rehos Bible say the ohunu mo broni mo bon but ya fam awrade enu nti na Sara 1 million wow